So we are currently here at Marikina Polytechnic College and we are going to interview some students and we will ask them if they have already acquired the national certificate or not. Sir, ano pong name nyo?
I am Raisa Naikasumha.
Angelita po.
Valerie Memoracion po.
I'm Jerin Kishel Torres from 4th year PT po.
So do you have an NC or none?
Yes, I have 2 NCs.
May NC o wala?
Meron po.
So may NC na po kayo or wala pa?
Meron na po.
May NC ka ba or wala?
Meron po.
What are those?
National Certificate for Cookery and National Certificate for FBS.
So ilan yung NC mo?
Isa lang po.
Ano yung NC mo?
Food and beverages po.
Ano po yung NC nyo?
Yung isa cookery and yung isa is food and beverage services.
Ano po yung NC nyo?
So, bread and pastry production NC2 po.
Did you pay when you acquired your national certificate?
Yes, because it was done outside the MPC.
May bayad ba nung kumuha ka ng NC?
Meron po.
Magkano?
Nasa 800 plus.
Meron assessment fee. Kasi yung parang pinaka-training mo dun, yung mga ginawa niyong laboratory sa major. Kaya assessment fee lang yun.
Magkano po yung binayaran nyo nun?
Ang cookery, 900, FBS 800, mga ganun. Di lumagpas ng 1K yun.
May bayad ba nung kumuha ka ng NC?
Wala po kasi sa barangay po namin siya nakuha.
Thank you. So how long did it take for you to get your NC?
I think it lasts for 2 to 3 months.
Mga 1 month. 1 month, mga 1 month.
Man.
Nung sa FBS, parang after a month, then cookery, ganun din after a month din.
Bale mga 2 months po siya.
How long does it last or how long is the expiration date or the validity of your national certificate?
Based on my certificate, I think it's 5 years.
Alam ko 5 years.
5 years. Okay. How did you use your national certificate?
Actually, the national certificate itself, I haven't used it yet, but the skills that I gain in the national certificate, the competencies, I'm able to use it in my everyday life.
Pag nag-apply po ako ng work, pero hindi siya related sa food industry.
Hindi pa kasi nagpatuloy ako ng college eh.
How is your experience na may NC ka na?
So, nung nakakuha po kasi ako ng NC2, pandemic siya. So, yung mga natutunan ko doon, na-apply ko ngayong college kasi ngayon, naging subject din namin yung mga, katulad doon sa baking, naging subject namin siya. So, may idea na ako or background na ako sa subject na yun.
I feel competent.
Wow. For your opinion, what are the advantage and benefits of national certificate?
Mas mabilis ka makakakuha ng trabaho at saka parang maganda yung tingin nila sa'yo since may certificate ka nga tas parang well-trained ka.
Siguro pagka nag-apply ka abroad kasi pagka mga ganitong trabaho or sa ganitong field or industry ka, mas kinikilala nila yung NC compare sa diploma mo or sa TOR ganun. Mas tinatanggap nila if nakakuha ka ng NC.
Alam naman po natin yung benefit nito. So, pag nag-apply ka sa mga work, so meron din siyang points. So, at saka pag pumunta ka sa ibang bansa, maganda din na meron kang NC2 para kahit anong NC para validate yung sa work mo lang.
Advantage and benefits of national certificate. So based on the others' experiences, they have able to use it when they applied for a job.
So would you recommend MPC to the students or to other students for them to take or to acquire national certificate?
Yes, definitely yes.
Why?
Because based on my experience, MPC had molded me with different skills that is needed for the NC2.
Oo naman kasi dito rin kami gumawa ng NC, senior high school.
Nice.
Grade 11 and 12, makakatulong talaga sa MPC. Sana nga meron ulit ngayon kasi nawala siya eh.
Yes po, kasi bali sa mga course na binibigay ng MPC, meron din yun sa mga TESDA. So, makakatulong si MPC para makakuha ng mga NC2.
We're MPC yan, we're future ready.
We are MPC yan, so we are future ready.
We're MPCians, we are future ready.
Last time, can you say we are MPCians, we are future ready?
We are MPCians, we are future ready.
So we have heard the thoughts, opinions, and perspectives of some students here at Marikina Polytechnic College about having national certificate. Do you want to acquire a national certificate? Why not try here at Marikina Polytechnic College?